Goyard Jet Black collection. The Goyard Jet Black collection. We're doing a new launch of Jet Black. You guys! You guys! It's that time again. Where am I Goyarding at? Goyard launched some more bags. We're going to talk about it. Goyard Guru here for you. Where am I Goyarding at? Goyard's launched 12 new limited edition bags and wallets and small other goods and luggage. 12 new items. We're going to talk about all of them. Go through them. 10 in jet black, 2 in the new navy, 2 in the navy that we've seen before, and 10 jet blacks that we've also seen before, kind of, and not. So anyway, we're going to talk about all of them. This is the new October launch, Goyard's limited edition launch, 5th or 6th of this year. They keep doing them. I feel like there's almost as much limited edition now as there's regular stuff. But anyway, we're going to talk about all that. We're going to get into it. So Goyard limited edition bag launch. Let's get right into it, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, Goyard Guru here for you. Goyard Gang, Goyard Guy, Goyard Girl, Goyard Gays, Goyard Group, Goyard Geeks, Goyard... And today we're doing the new limited edition launch that dropped today, October 1st, on their email and Instagram. They pre-launched it the week before for the VIC clients, as always. But it is now currently in stores available. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you're interested, I am starting the membership as well tier for YouTube. So check that out. You can sign up and be a member and get exclusive content. Stuff like this, I think I'm going to start doing prices like this. Prices, bag launches, especially for Goyard, and Hermes bag drops, those kind of things, answering questions, responding to comments, direct video responses to comments, things like that are all going to go in this membership tier. Also, if you have not checked out my TikTok, please go check out my TikTok. I'm doing a lot of more stuff there and comedy stuff there, and on my Instagram too. My Instagram is my full name. TikTok is going to be my full name. It is Shopaholic, but it's going to go back to my full name, and this is always Shopaholic. I might change this back to my full name too. But anyway, those are all the things. Should I change it back to my full name? What do you guys think? I don't know. Part of me is like, I want to keep it Shopaholic because I want to keep it a little mysterious and a little like whatever. Don't have my full information, but then part of me is like, whatever, it doesn't matter, right? That little paranoid thing and being, stolen from and stuff like that. I think I'm a little, maybe too paranoid, but I do think I'm definitely gonna change it back in the other two places. Oh, lip balm. What are you doing here? Sorry, Chai. Okay. Anyway, I got a lot of quick time, so we're getting right into this. Anyway, go check out that. The TikTok. The point was check out my TikTok, Instagram Reels, TikTok. I'm doing a lot more content there, comedy content, funny content, sounds, things like that, and bag content, and luxury content, and fashion content, and travel content, and all those kind of things. And also, I'm going to do a subscription tier there to directly reply to comments with videos and information like that. So please go check those out. I would love all the support from you guys. You guys have been amazing, especially my OGs that have been here forever. Love you so much. Okay, anyway, enough of that. Now let's get to the bags. Okay, so we're going to go right through them. 12 items, okay, that we're going to go through. They're doing 10 jet blacks, 2 navies, okay? So we'll go through the 10 jet blacks, then the 2 navies, okay? Jet black, little history about the jet black collection. Little preface, little history. They have done the jet black collection 2 times before, in 2020 and then in 2022. So this is 2024, so it sounds like it's an every 2-year thing. In 2022, it was also in October. In 2020, I didn't know about it, and I wasn't buying Goyard at the time as heavily as I do now, or wasn't as into the know and VIC and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know when they did it, but I would assume they did it in October. Maybe it's an October 2020 thing. 20 every 2 years, October. Maybe it's a Halloween thing. Jet black, black and red, scary blood and black. Maybe. Who knows? Do you think? What do you think? Do we think? Maybe. Anyway, 2024, they're doing 10. In 2020, they did 7 items, I believe, and they were considered their more masculine things. It was the Voltaire bag. It was the Belvedere. I think they did if I remember correctly, they did the wallet, the Victoire, and they did the Essential piece, maybe or maybe not, but I know they did Victoire. They did a lot of, they did the, I don't know, it was like 7 masculine bags. Unfortunately, Goyard is so secretive, and also, unfortunately, they don't, once they've done something, they kind of delete it away. So I don't know exactly what they did, and you can't go back and find it now. Let me just check really quick, if you can. Pause! Okay. Unfortunately, I can't go that far back for the 2020 bags, but they were the quote-unquote more masculine bags. And then in 2022, and the jet black ones then did not have any markage or anything like that. And then in 2022, they did the launch with the powder pink collection where they introduced the Nano Saigon, where are you? Where they released this Nano, we know and we love her. The Nano Saigon with the red interior. Jet black, the other thing about jet black is it always has red interior, okay? So tight. They did, I can see it here, they did the Vendôme Mini, the structured Saigon Mini, the Nano Saigon, the Alto bag, the Minaudière, the Alexander Trois, the Saint Marie MM, and the Monte Carlo PM. Oh, I have the Saint Marie MM too. Where is that? But they did this separate of the other collection. They did these 7, and then they did another round of 4, right? Now I'm getting all confused. No, because because I was able to get the Saint Marie by itself before they did the jet black collection with the Nano. So the Nano came later in a separate collection, but this first collection was in November of 2021. Unclear when it came out. So we're just gonna remember that it did, okay? And then this 2024, okay, that's a lot of backstory. So anyway, this 2024 is 7 new bags and 3 SLGs. And after the 7 bags, 4 of them are bags and 3 are luggage, okay? So let's go through each of them. They don't have the marquage again, so they're like 2020, no marquages on any of these. Like the Jet Black Nano, no marquage. And actually 2 of them don't have a red interior, which I thought was interesting because they always have done a red interior. So 2 of them do not have red interior. So we'll talk about those 2 as well. Okay, so let's go through it. Okay, so we have, I'm gonna try to go through this as quickly as possible, but so like I said, there's 7 bags. They're the masculine colors. Okay, so they're the Cisalphin backpack, which we know is the bigger backpack, the men's backpack, not like the mini Alpine backpack, and not like the Saint Leger. This is the new backpack they introduced maybe a year or 2 ago. So it's a little more bulky, fits a lot of your stuff, can get a lot in big, giant backpack, okay? Then they have the Ambassade bag. And the Cisalphin backpack does not have the red interior, which is interesting. I don't know why it doesn't have a red interior. It says on the thing it has red interior, but on the inside it actually is the normal beige canvas, okay? So this is the first one. I think this is at $4,100 usually in the US, I think. So it's probably gonna be like 5, 6-ish. Then the Ambassade document case is kind of a little briefcase kind of thing we got going on. It's very cute, very like go to work, very like nice. Then we have the Belvedere, which they did, I believe, in 2020 and again in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. So I think they've done this a few times. They definitely did it in 2022 for the Nano Saigon because the jet black Belvedere was an option. I don't think they did it with the other big launch of the other 7, so it must have been its own thing. But I think they also did it in 2020. Okay. Then after the Belvedere, we have the Bourget PM, which is the smaller rolly trunk, and this one is chef's kiss. It's a small roll trunk. I think it's about 50 centimeters, and it's beautiful with the red interior. Like I said, all of them with the red interior, lovely, so different, so unique and special for Goyard because it's the only limited edition color that they do with red interior. Everyone else still has yellow, and most of their bags have yellow or the beige canvas. This is the only color that they've done with red, and hopefully it's the only one they ever do. And it's like paying homage to their history and log making and something with red in their colors. They're trunks from the 1930s where they had red interior, okay? Then the next one is there are 2. So this is a suitcase, and the other 2 are the 2 duffel bags, the Boston and the Bowling. So the Boston is kind of the more round, which is the Crossier before. Now it's the Boston bag in the size 50 cm. It comes in 2 sizes. This is, I think it's 40 and 50, so this is the bigger size. 50 cm Boston bowling bag with the red interior. This also looks so good, and I can just see this with the trolley. Now the trolley is something you carry on. You don't check this bag because it's so delicate. I mean, it's leather on all sides, and it's obviously durable Goyardine canvas, but you don't want to check this. It's going to get destroyed and damaged. So this is something you want to have as a carry-on bag, or as if you fly private. So, but it's very nice, and I would assume that this bag, I think this bag is around like 7,000 or 8,000, 8 to 9,000 maybe in the US. So this is probably gonna be way over 10. And then the Crossier Boston is around 3 or 4, somewhere in the 3 to 4 range. This is gonna be probably around 5, I would say. Belvedere probably in the 3,500 to 4. Cisalphin, like I said, and then the other one, the Ambassade, I have no idea what the price is on that. But I wouldn't say it's anywhere under 3. I don't think any of these are gonna be anywhere under 3. None of these, except for the card holder and the wallets, okay? Then the Bowling is the new version of the Crossier and the whatever the old version of the square one was. I'm blanking on the name. Anyway, it's now the bowling bag in the 45 cm, so it comes in 45 and 55, I believe. So this is the smaller of the 2. So they're picking the bigger one of that and the smaller one of this. Have this kind of same range here, and this is a more square one. with the handles in the pocket and things like that. Also red interior, also beautiful. Both of these you're gonna have to get an additional strap for. They do not come with the bag. You have to buy the additional strap. I know it's annoying, but because it's jet black and the straps are all leather, you can just get a regular black leather strap with the same palladium silver hardware because it's not gonna have any Goyardine canvas on it. So you don't have to worry about getting a limited edition strap for these. But it is annoying that they don't come with it, okay? Then the last one is the Citadin, which is another kind of like, it's a Citadin. It's a messenger bag. Strap. It's quite big for carrying your laptop and all your work stuff. It's like a very much man messenger on the go type bag, typical messenger bag. They've had this bag for forever. I want to say it used to be like $2,000 ish, roughly. So this will probably be like a little over $3,000, but I don't know. Those prices could be a little bit off. Okay, if you guys know any of the prices, let me know in the comments below. If you've seen any of these bags, let me know in the comments below. If you've gotten in these bags, let me know in the comments below. Okay, those are those 7. Those are good. Then we have the 3 SLGs. So 3 SLGs. We have their 3 most common SLGs, which is the Saint-Pierre, the Saint-Sulpice, and the Victoire wallet. So the Saint-Pierre card holder, which is the card wallet, the Saint-Sulpice, which is their card holder, and then the Victoire, which is their classic bifold wallet. So the Saint-Pierre, this is normally $450 in the US, so I'm gonna guess this is around like $6 to $7 for this color. It's the card holder in jet black. It's so nice. This is the probably most affordable thing you can get from the collection, and the sleekest, simplest, whatever. So I feel like it will sell out the quickest too. It's probably gonna be around $600 to $700. Jet black with the red interior. It's gonna be an eye popper. Like it's gonna be just like such a nice, quick, easy flex. Limited. Not everyone's gonna have this. Everyone has the Goyard card holder. Not everyone, but lots of people have this. Obviously, because it is their entry level item, their most affordable item, and it is a practical, good card holder. It does just get a lot of wear and wears very easily. But this jet black one will be something rare. All of these will be something rare. Unfortunately, they don't have the marquage on them, that tricolor marquage that makes them all one of a kind, but they're still pretty rare bags. This doesn't have the marquage, but it's still a really rare bag because they only made so many. They're only gonna make so many of these as well. And I feel like they will sell out pretty quickly. And the Saint-Pierre, which is my favorite, my card holder, which is their slim wallet, vertical slim wallet with 6 pockets. And the Saint-Sulpice has 4 pockets, 2 on each side and 1 middle compartment for like receipts and stuff. This has 6 pockets, 3 on each side, and then side things to stuff things in between behind the cards, and then 1 money pocket, which is kind of made for euros more than it is for dollars, but you can put a lot in there, and it's beautiful with the red interior. This is usually $750, so I'm going to say this is around $1,000 for this one, okay? And then the last one is the Victoire wallet, which is $880 now. They did a price reduction from $990 to $880 for the regular Victoire wallet. 8 card slots, 4 on each side. Your regular standard bifold wallet, 2 money slots, receipts of money, and then 2 pockets behind each of the 4 card holders. And I would say this is probably going to be, if it's $880, it's going to be a little over 12, like 11, 12, 1200 probably for this, okay? And this is really exciting because they never actually do card holders or SLGs. They haven't done them in a long time. I know they did Victoire in 2020, but they usually don't do limited edition card holders or small leather goods in general. Like, so this is a big thing, a big deal, I think, in my personal opinion, because it's going to be most affordable thing you can get for the most affordable thing that you can get in the limited edition collection at the most affordable price point and the most usable, wearable, common. And so a lot of people are gonna get it. It's gonna be very hard to get. 11 people are gonna want it. I feel like the resale price markup on these is gonna be very high. I have seen the jet black wallet go for like $700, $800 on the real, but that was probably, maybe people did. I feel like now, because Goyard, that was years ago, or it wasn't years, whatever. Now I feel because Goyard's so well known and people want it, like a limited edition color like this, will people want. And the other thing about jet black is it's very subtle, right? It's not as loud and in your face as the other colors Goyard that have now become so loud in your face because it's become a little bit more of a, like, it used to be if you know, you know. Now it's like a very like recognizable pattern and brand and people know what it is, right? People love it or hate it. They have many opinions of it. Some people think it's plastic, disgusting, ugly, you know, grocery bag, trash bag, Walmart bag, whatever. Some people love it and think it's the most exclusive thing and beautiful thing in the world. Obviously, if you're here and you're Goyard Gang, you love it with me, or you hate it and you just want to learn about it. But it is very recognizable now. The jet black is a little more muted. It's like a so black. It's all black with black dots and like black and gray hues, so you barely see the Goyardine. You don't see it as much, so it's not as flashy as some of the other ones. Even the regular black, it's not as flashy as that. It's kind of like its own little thing, and with the red accents, the little red pop gives it a little bit of flair, but not too much. You know. Okay, so that's everything on the jet black. So those are the 10 jet blacks. Then they're also doing 2 more bags. They're doing the Belvedere again and the Seahorse again. So now, if you watch my other videos, you know they've been doing Journey Through the Sea. This year's the sea. They started with the turquoise, then the coral, then the sand, then the pearly colors, okay? And then the turquoise, coral, and the sand, they did both the Belhara and the Anjou with the seahorses. They did one of each in turquoise, they did one of each in coral, they did one of each in sand. They didn't do it for the pearly collection, and now they're bringing it back again. And the thing is, it's like the coral and the turquoise was the top of the water, and then the sand was the sand, and then the pearly was like the iridescent underneath, and now they're doing deep sea. They're saying it's like the deep sea, darker blues, and the jet black where you go into the abyss and it's totally black down there and you can't see anything, right? Of the ocean. So now they're going deeper in the ocean. So they're doing the navy color. I wish they would have done the ocean blue, which is what they did for the Viet tote. They did one ocean blue color, which is just by itself for the Viet tote. I wish they would have done this for this, but they didn't. They're doing the same navy. So it is the same Goyardine navy that is their standard, one of their 11 colors, but they are doing it in these 2 limited edition bags. One Anjou PM with the seahorses that they've done, like I said, again, 3 or 4 times this year. And then the Belhara bag, which they've done, again, 3 or 4 times this year, but with the strap. It has the strap and everything like that. And the Belhara has been a bag that they've had for a while. They used to do it where it was just Goyardine canvas on just the straps and kind of going down and saying something, and then the rest of it was white, linen, cotton, whatever material. But now it's like the whole thing is canvas, and those parts are leather with the straps and an attachable strap. This one comes with the strap, it's detachable, and you don't have to pay extra for it. So anyway, that are those 2 colors. Probably 4+ for the Anjou and like 3,500, I would say, for the Belhara is my guess. They're not special colors. Anyway, again, if you know the prices, let me know in the comments below. If you've gotten these bags, seen these bags, let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? I don't care really for the navy ones. It's nice and it's cute, but they've done it so many times, and also it's just in the navy again. The jet black, love. I think I would get the Saint Pierre or the Saint Sulpice card holder or the Victoria. I would get any of the SLGs. Out of the bags, maybe the Belvedere, even though they've done it twice already, or the backpack I've not been a big fan of. It just seems too bulky and too big. Maybe one of the messenger bags, and definitely I would do the freaking set of the trunk and the crossier, but it was a little too rich for my blood, a little too expensive. I've spent way too much, and I am pretty much exclusively becoming a Hermes guy now. I don't think I want to buy that much Goyard anime unless it is super limited edition. I really, really want it. Like those pearly collections, but I unfortunately was not able to get any of those. But and I also have spent too much money. I need to hold, I have other Hermes bags that I'm waiting for, and I'm getting, I'll tell you about later. Another quota bag. Can't tell you. Okay. And then I'm waiting for other things that I want to get from Hermes. And I also want to kind of slow down my pace and enjoy the bags that I do have and use them as much as I can, which I am doing, but I don't need any more bags. So I'm just here to talk about it for today. Maybe I will get one later. I'm definitely not gonna get one from the store. Maybe I'll get one secondhand resale, or I'll wait for another collection. I feel like because the jet black they've done a few times now, I feel like they'll keep bringing it back. So I'm not worried about getting a jet black thing down the line if I really want to, but I'm happy with the jet black one I have. I love it, it's great. What do you guys think? Are you gonna get something? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, if it was helpful at all, I know I talked really fast and I try to cover a lot of ground, but if it was helpful, please hit that like button. It's so easy to just hit the like button. Please do it. Please share the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you don't already. Every one of those things helps so much, so I really appreciate it. And like I said before, please go check out my TikTok. Please go subscribe there. Follow there or subscribe there. Like some videos there. Subscribe to it if you want to get exclusive content. Join the membership here if you want exclusive content here as well. If you already are subscribed, or if you want to do that too, I would appreciate that too. I'm trying to grow both of those places. And go follow me on Instagram too and check out some of my reels. I would love all the support. Any kind of support you guys can give, I would appreciate it. I hope this was helpful. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Love you. Bye.